Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect grilled cheese sandwich. Yummy. I love grilled cheese sandwiches. If you follow my show, you know that I love bread and I love cheese. So here we go, and I love butter. You put them all together and you got an amazing grilled cheese sandwich. Growing up, I ate grilled cheese sandwiches all the time. I still eat them all the time. Funny story, one of my best friends and also roommate in college, he would just take the Kraft single slice of cheese, and put it with like the little Wonder Bread, really like soft, fluffy, airy, almost like nothing type of bread. And he would just put that together in the microwave and turn it on for like 30 seconds and call that grilled cheese. No. So here is a really easy way to make an amazing grilled cheese sandwich. I had a request to make a grilled cheese sandwich, so here we go. That's what we're gonna do. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, so first I have my pan on my stove heating up on medium heat. And now we want to use bread. I love to use a nice thick bread. This isn't homemade. Unfortunately, I don't have any homemade bread left. I ate all my Italian bread, but I have several bread recipes that will work well for this. The Italian bread recipe, my perfect white bread recipe, and my Dutch oven bread recipe will all work really well for this. What we want to do is we want to take our bread and we want to take some softened butter. And what we're going to do is we're going to just take some butter and we're going to liberally put this on there. Oh yeah, butter. I recommend using real butter, but you can get away with using like a fake butter spread or something like that, or just even like some oil, like olive oil or something like that. Now, what you want is you want a cheese. My favorite cheese to use is a nice mild cheddar, but you could use whatever kind of cheese you want. You can mix it up. You could use sharp cheddar. You could use a mix of like Jack and cheddar. Pretty much your favorite cheese that you want to use, go ahead and do it. Blue cheese probably won't work. So my favorite thing is just a nice mild cheddar. Now let's go over to the stovetop and cook this up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our slices of bread and let's just drop it down here on our heated skillet. Nice. And then let's start putting our cheese on. Lots of cheese. Oh yeah. And then we just put our other top on like that. All right, now we're just gonna let this cook until the bottom gets nice and golden brown, and then we'll flip it over and do the other side. I'm just using a little skillet here. You could use an iron skillet. You can use whatever pan that you want to cook this. I mean, it's called a grilled cheese sandwich, but we're not really cooking this on the grill. However, you can do that if you want. Sometimes I'll use the George Foreman grill and make my grilled cheese on that as well. It'll take a few minutes per side until the cheese is fully melted. So this side, go ahead and take it. Oh yeah, look at that. And then I'll just push down a little bit. Look at that amazing side. And we'll just do that with the other side. That looks great to me. And you're gonna just remove it and plate it. All right, our grilled cheese is done. Look at the cheese coming out of the sides. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Hear that crunch? Oh yeah, pull it apart. Look at that. So amazing. All right, our grilled cheese sandwich is done. Super easy to do, very few ingredients, and you can switch out those ingredients. You can use different kinds of bread if you want. You can use different cheese if you want, and you don't have to use butter. You can use just like a little oil spread or whatever you would like to do. Very easy, super tasty. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Mmm.